currently wandering around Target, and just getting a few things that I didn't get the other day at the store. Hoping to find a few things. I saw a few recipes online and I wanted to try them out just to see if it's something that I like. I know a lot of the stuff that I watch has a lot of cheese, and I don't eat a lot of cheese, but I do like some mozzarella. Oh, I picked up a little bit, and I'm just gonna see maybe something that I like, but we'll see. Anyway, I don't want to spend a lot of money because it's like I get into this whole thing where I think I'm gonna eat all these great foods and then I don't eat them, and I don't like to waste money on foods. So anyway, need to finish this, get back. I'm gonna film. I brought one of these little bags, so if you didn't see that video, that'd be the video before this. I did a little review on them, and I'm really liking this one. So it's very lightweight and stuff, so I'm gonna keep trying it out for a couple more days. I know one is definitely like so bad, it's so stiff. Anyway, all right, let me see if I can find these little things that I want to use. Try to bake in. I already have like meal prep containers. I don't need any of that stuff, but I wanted some little ramekins that I can put a lid on them. So when I put them in the fridge, they have a lid. Let's see if I can find something. So I ended up finding my flaxseed, which I was out of, and then I picked up some of the Kodiak protein, my egg white, some salmon, a little bit of ham. I needed detergent, and then the mozzarella. I think that's it. I also got some more of my tea. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I am a tea drinker. All right, I feel pretty good. Let's see, where can I sit here? Their sun is like right on me. I feel like I did pretty good in there. I got just enough of the stuff that I wanted to get and I'm also hungry because I haven't ate, so. But I saw a recipe with that Kodiak pancake mix, and I thought, I think I can do that. It was just the pancake mix and egg whites, and then you just spread some sugar-free jam in them. And I'm like, that's perfect for me. I usually like it with just a little butter and blueberries or some kind of fruit on my pancakes. I don't eat a lot of syrup. That's not really my thing, which is a good thing. Although, yeah, candy's probably my weakness, but syrup, not so much. I don't know what that is about. Anyway, I walked around for about 45 minutes in there. It felt really good. You know, I was pushing the cart, just kept moving, obviously stopping to pick up stuff from the shelves and get things. But yeah, a good 45-minute walking around the store. I think it was closer to an hour because I got here right when it opened, about 8, and it's 9 o'clock already. Oh, I feel good about that, and have my few little things. I'm gonna go home, make a little bit of food because I'm getting a little hungry. And then I need to film the video for the bags today and get that edited and up, but I'm gonna film it, and then I'm going to go take Sadie for a walk. It's hard getting 2 workouts in a day of 45 minutes. I'm used to like 30 minutes working out and stuff. So the walk is not a big deal because usually we can do 45 minutes to an hour. It's the other workout. It's the other 45-minute workout. Oh, not sure if I can adjust those things a little bit. I'm thinking I can do an hour walking with Sadie and then 30-minute workout. And that's, I mean, I know it doesn't follow the app perfectly, but I'm still getting in an hour and a half of continual movement, which I think is the total goal. So I think I'm going to adjust that a little bit. Hey, we are on day 6. I've done 5 days good. I've kept to my promise. No Coke Zero, no sugar products. I haven't had a candy in days. Totally sucks. But I have 70 days to go and I can do this. I don't know if I'm going to lose any weight. I may just find discipline in my life. I'm hoping. My goal is to lose 10 pounds. That's it, 10 pounds. 10 pounds, 75 days. I think it's a doable goal, but if I lose, you know, less than that, 5-6 pounds, I think I would still feel like I accomplished something, because sometimes it's not about the weight loss, it's about how you feel and toning and feeling stronger. And I'm okay with that too. But just being disciplined in my head about what I eat, how much I move. And of course, once I start going back into the office for work, I think it's going to be maybe a little more challenging. Oh, we'll see how that goes. Oh, it's almost 1 o'clock. Took a little while to film that video. There was so much, and then I didn't even realize it was like 30 minutes. My iPad battery was going down as I was editing, and as soon as I started exporting it out, and it used to be, I used LumaFusion, or from the company LumaTouch, but LumaFusion, and I edit on my iPad. And normally it used to be, and I think it's because it's been so long since I've used the program, that it used to upload directly to my YouTube channel in like private mode, or like not published, and then I could go in and do the edits behind the scenes, and then do the thumbnail, and then be able to send it, like make it public. And I think it lost the connection to my YouTube channel, and so I have to export it out, and then yeah, it's just, and then upload it to YouTube. It's like a very tedious process now, so it ends up being an extra step basically. Oh, and then it completely stopped because I needed to plug in the iPad. Anyway, it's a very tedious process, and I hate it to have that extra step. So I wanted something really warm, and so I decided to go with just an egg sandwich with a little ham. I have about a pinch of mozzarella cheese because I'm not big on cheese, but I know it would hold it together a little bit and give me a little more protein, and then some hot sauce. And so that's my little lunch. I should be embarrassed. My Christmas stuff is still up, but I'm not. I'm pacing myself. I may get it done tomorrow. I may get it done next weekend, but I'm still enjoying my tree. Sadie and I went on our walk, and it was getting dark because I had to go do my Amazon returns first. And then by the time we got there, it was 4 o'clock. And I figured 45 minutes, that shouldn't be too bad. And around 4:45, we were still a good distance. And usually on the way back, she is very slow. She gets really tired towards the end. And I was like, man, I don't want to be out here too late. So we ended up making it back right at 5 o'clock. So we did close to an hour. And but it was a good one. It was a good little walk, but it's dark already. And I'll tell you this, I don't even think I need a sleepy time, because I am actually really, really tired. I don't even know how I got this tired. And I feel kind of tired, but I'm going to try to stay up and watch a little bit of TV and make it till at least 8 o'clock. And it is 5:30. Hopefully I can make it to 8 o'clock, because I don't want to wake up at 2 in the morning. Hello, good morning. Oh my gosh, so tired. But I'm going to take down the Christmas stuff. Got all my bins and boxes, and yeah, I'm going to get this done because it's time. It's time. It's so time. Oh, I am still watching Dexter. Oh my gosh, there's only one season left. I don't even know. I don't know what episode I'm on. I'm almost at the end of season 7. I think there's a season 8. And then, of course, the new one, like the limited series of when his son is older, came out 2 years ago. Anyway, I probably won't watch that, but anyway, get this done. It's so much, but it's going to take me a little while because I'm actually going to take my time. I'm going to organize and get this ready, so when Christmas comes next year, I'll be ready. It is so cold. I need more hot tea. Hot tea. Ah, that's so good. That's so good. So I got the red box packed up, which is funny because it has a green lid. My other ones have red lids. But the only thing that's left is that pillow. And I think what I'm going to do is I have a white cover right in there, and I think I'm just going to cover that with a white one. It doesn't really match, but I'm thinking I can put it on my bed in my room, so maybe I'll do that. Anyway, here is, now we're down to white and silver. And we'll get all this done. And I have some like rustic type stuff, which is kind of what I was going for this year a little bit, but kind of went off the rails just slightly. So yeah, oh, here's what we got. Oh, I took down all the little lights, trees, anyway. Oh, I have some more stuff here. This was actually on a China hutch because I had like a couple teal items on there, so I threw the little Christmas tree. I think it's going to go to Goodwill because I took my other teal stuff to Goodwill earlier in like early December or right around Thanksgiving. Can't even remember. So I have a lot of pine cones. I need to bag those up. Yeah. So, and then I got a lot of ribbon and a lot of stuff that I did not organize 2 years ago or whenever. When's the last time? Anyway, I didn't organize it. It needs to be organized. I'm dealing with a little bit of a cold today. I think it's from just being out late yesterday. Like Sadie and I went for a walk from like 4 to 5 and I didn't take a jacket. I just had my sweatshirt and like a undershirt on. Oh, not good. Let's keep going. Oh, I had to come and get a couple of buckets. Not at Target. Home Depot's a little closer, so I came here. I looked online first, and this was the cheapest for the size. Oh, anyway, back to cleaning. Everything packed up, and then I forgot this guy. So I'm gonna see if there's a little space in one of these buckets. I hope I can find a space. It does go, it like, the legs go up and it goes down. So it does get really small. All right, I was able to fit him in this bucket. Oh, I'm all done. I have to go, these are the 2 new buckets I bought. And everything's organized and pretty color coded, like white and silver, and all gold, and then blue. And I have enough space in the blue to put the second garland. I have all the ribbon, lights, and electrical cords and things like that in there. And then this has all the red stuff because I have a lot of red. And then down there I have like all little like things I put out, like gnomes and things like that. Like a little snowman, polar bear is in that bucket. What is in this bucket? Oh, this is all the green stuff and then some other stuff. Some things that I'm preparing for next year is in this bucket. Oh, anyway, and I think I'm gonna do like green and white next year. This will be kind of cool. Anyway, oh, I have the wrong color in there. I can see it. So I need these teal ones I put in this bucket with the blue because I don't have that much of it, but I like the teal and blue together. That's what I had on the tree here in the office this year. So anyway, I got a lot of cleaning to do, and it is like 3 o'clock. I've been going since like 10 o'clock. No, earlier than that. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. What I like about these buckets is how well they stack up. Look how nice they stack up right there. So I wish I could have got some more, but so these, the black ones, not the clear. So these were only like 10 bucks. So that was actually pretty good. And then those were 16. So I prefer the clear, but it is what it is. Oh, I still got to take the tree down. The big tree. Totally forgot. It's a big tree. I don't know how I forgot. Anyway, I gotta go get that box. Anxiously waiting there, but I definitely need like a serious break. I'm gonna go wash up a little bit and then come back and give myself like an hour, and then I'm gonna clean, and then I still have to take her for a walk because one of the things for 75 hard is that one of the things you have to do something activity outside. Oh, I did a workout this morning and I've done a lot today, but I have to go do something outside. I will take her for a little walk later.